What's up, guys? It's Nick and Bella. Say hi. Nick and Bella back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Apple HomePod. It just came in the mail last night, so I thought I'd open it today. All of you, I'm sure we all know, and I'm sure most of you even have these smart home virtual assistant speakers, the Amazon Echo, the Google Home, that's a Google Home Mini, and now Apple has decided to join the game, and they've come out with their ultra expensive $350 HomePod. The Google has a Google Home Max, I think that's $400, and from what I've been reading and seeing, the reviews on this thing have been pretty positive that the sound quality is amazing, better than the $400 Google Home Max, but obviously a lot more than these Amazon Alexas, which you can have, you know, or Echoes, what I should say, that you can have for about $100 or something like that. So let's get this thing open. There we go. I was gonna pull out the unboxing knife, but I don't think that's needed. All right, let's see here. With Apple, you don't usually need unboxing knives. So it comes in two colors, white and black. I don't even remember which color. No, I guess I got black. I kind of wish I'd gotten white. That's kind of the mirror at the top. Obviously, there it is. You get your Apple logo and your HomePod. And again, it is an Apple unboxing. So we have the Apple candle over there in the corner and Steve Jobs looking over Bella. And here's Bella one more time. Bella, say hi. All right, good girl. So here it is. It is definitely heavy, which feels a good heavy. It's like a high quality heavy. Nothing else. Actually, there is more in here, so let's see. Looks like a little pamphlet. I'm sure there's a sticker. Nothing else in here, so we'll get rid of this box. A little area to put your thumb. Pull it open. I don't want to rip it, but I'm about to. What am I doing wrong? Okay. And there you go. You got your HomePod. Some basic directions, which I might have to read. Of course, your Apple sticker. One Apple sticker. So that all works. Now I'm going to do a little bit of the setup now so you guys can see what it's like. Let's get this in the middle, obviously. There's a nice cord. So the cable is a nice nylon, braided, whatever you want to call these, power cable. There it is right there. It definitely feels nice, nice and long. I did notice that it's built into the HomePod, so it's not something you can remove on some of these Amazons, on all of them, and the Google, you cannot do that. And there you go for size comparison. You can kind of see. I almost knocked over the box. It's about the same size, a little taller than the second generation Echo. First generation Echo looks so antiquated now. And then the Google Home Mini. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these. I wish kind of one would take the lead. I definitely use the Echo the most. But the Google Home Mini, I kind of just bought to Google things because it's so good at asking it Google type questions, you know. Whereas the Echo is not great at that. But this, I have, you know, I'm part of the Apple ecosystem, my calendar, my notes, texts, and although some of the functionality is not there yet, supposedly it's all going to be rolled out with software updates. You'll be able to ask it to call your contacts. Obviously right now you can have it read off your text messages and play from your Apple Music playlists and all that stuff. So those are cool features to me in the Apple ecosystem. Oh, and it's to be said that you have to have an Apple product in order to use this. You have to have iPad, iPhone, something to sync it and get it all ready. I'm going to plug it in. I'll be right back. Just real quick, I wanted to tell you, so it's $350. Supposedly a lot of bass. Supposedly sounds really good. It has 7 tweeters built in, which is pretty incredible. The AA chip, which is great. It also has a W1 chip where it allows you to easily set it up, just like the AirPods have, and all that good stuff. Definitely a beautiful design. And there's so much technology built into this thing. I was reading that if you put this like up against your wall, it senses your wall and this angle, and therefore will shoot all the sound this way. So you're not wasting sound shooting backwards. So little things like that that Apple does that usually sets them apart. Again, this is a premium $350 speaker, and there's a lot of other good ones, you know, that I'm sure sound better or just as good. Speakers now, I'm not talking about virtual home assistants. But $350 is not cheap, so it has a great feel to it. Let me plug it in and set it up, and I'll be right back. Or we'll go through the setup a little bit together. Be right back. All right, guys, so I got this thing plugged in. You can see the little Siri light notification. A lot of these are touch control, like, you know, volume up, volume down. I think, well, you can feel the bass just from that. Even Bella felt it. Bella, did you feel that? chooses. So let's quickly do the setup here. I'll try to. Suppose you just put your phone right near it. Let's see if this works. Maybe I have to open the phone. And there it is. That just popped right up. Let me zoom in a little bit if I can. Where's my zoom button? Oh my gosh. I can't do it from this angle. There we go. Alright. So here it is. Set up. Let's just go through this. I don't know if you can see with the glare. Oh, that glare is crazy. Bathroom, bedroom, dining. I don't know where I'm going to put it. For now, I'm going to put it in the kitchen. That could change though. Continue. So enable personal requests. Allow anybody to use this HomePod to send and read messages and reminders. Create notes. Sure. Use this iPhone. Sure. I don't know how much you can see. Sorry about the glare here. Try and get at this. Terms and conditions. And transfer settings, sure, why not? It is setting up. Let's see how long this will take. If it takes long, I'll edit this out and speed it up.
HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's try it. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with Toto. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
Toto. This is a blast from the past. I like me some Toto. And then all of a sudden these popped up. That's kind of cool. They weren't there a second ago. Let's crank it up. I can't play too long, but it's definitely a great sounding speaker. Rosanna. All right, I'll stop with the singing. So now I'm gonna hit done. I guess that's it. Hey Siri, what's the weather?
It's currently cloudy and 80 degrees in Palm Harbor. Expect partly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 80 degrees this afternoon to 66 tonight.
Hey Siri, stop. That's really cool. It really sounds great, guys. Obviously, I don't know all the functionality yet. I'm sure I can read up, and like I said, one tap is something. I don't know. Oh, that brings up the volume. Or play and pause, that's what it is. 2 taps, let's see. That's next song or something. And 3 taps. Hey Siri, stop. And I know you can bring up Siri just by holding it here. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I don't think you'd understand a joke in my language. They're not so funny. Anyway.
Ouch. Siri just shunned me. Just blew me off. Anyway, guys, I mean, I can say if you love music and you're like an audiophile, probably $350 is worth it because it's going to sound great. If you're just kind of looking for the functionality of a home, virtual home assistant, you have, of course, these options right there. That'll be a lot more affordable. My wife is probably going to kill me if she walks in the kitchen and sees 3 or 4 virtual home assistants and it's confusing. So I'm hoping one of these, I'm hoping eventually it's just going to be the Echo and the HomePod. Okay. Hey Siri, off. I'm gonna get busted with copyright. I love Toto. Hey Siri, off. Hey Siri, shut off the music. So that's one thing I noticed. So now whenever I say that, hey Siri, this thing pops up. Hey Siri, never mind. Because it's on my phone too. So I don't know, I have to figure out some of those things. It's listening to me right now. Are you listening to me? All right. So anyway, guys, I think it's cool. I'll let you know my thoughts on it in a couple weeks. But like I said, oh my gosh, this is crazy. I think I'm hitting a button up here. I won't do that again. No more Toto. That's enough Toto for one video. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or subscribe if you can. I'd appreciate it. Like I said, I have a couple more videos coming down the pipe here soon. So thank you again, guys. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.